Welcome to another session of Sreenath recipes. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to receive regular notifications.
Today we are going to make an easy potato curry for chapati. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pressure cooker. Now add 1 star anise, a small piece of cinnamon, 6 cloves and 1 bay leaf. Saute this for a few seconds and add half a teaspoon of Jeera or Cumin seeds, half a teaspoon of Fennel seeds, half a teaspoon of crushed black pepper and 1 pinch of cardamom powder. Saute this for a few seconds and add 3 finely chopped onions, 2 Slit green chillies, 2 sprigs of curry leaves and a little salt. When the onions turn translucent, add 1 tablespoon of crushed ginger and 1 tablespoon of crushed garlic. Saute this for 2 minutes and add 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, two teaspoons of coriander powder and half a teaspoon of garam masala powder. Saute this for some time and add 2 finely chopped tomatoes and a little salt. Stir well and cook this till the tomatoes become soft. Now add 4 cubed potatoes and 1 cup of water. Stir well. Place the lid and cook this over medium flame. Turn off the flame after the second whistle. When the pressure comes down, open the cooker. Add some finely chopped coriander leaves and mix well. Now it is ready to serve. This will go well with chapati, dosha, idli and appam. Please try it out and post your feedback.